Check out this 2003 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: front reading lamps, climate control, power steering, rear-wheel drive, split bench seat, engine immobilizer, 4-wheel disc brakes, and driver airbag. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.